So welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing how to submit exercise 4 of machine learning, which is offered by Coursera. So let us start the video. Okay, we'll just open the folder. Okay, open exercise 4.mlx. Okay, which is a live script. Okay, just double click it. Okay, so you can see the folder here. So as we opened exercise 4.mlx, so now you just need to open 3 files. Okay, so I'll just open random initializing weights. Okay, you can see here. After that, just open nn cost function. Then the last file is sigmoidGradient. Okay, so now we'll go back to the exercise 4.mlx. So in this to complete this week's assignment, so you just need to complete these 3 files. Okay, so just just execute this first command directory. So make sure your current folder you are exactly here. Okay, so if you are outside this folder, it won't work. Okay, so just scroll down. So we'll visualize the data. It's the most important part. Okay, just run this. So I think you're already familiar with the neural networks. It's just like extension for a logistic regression. But in logistic regression, there are so many issues to. That's why the neural network has been a greater algorithm which optimizes and finds a better solution than the logistic regression. Okay, so here also we are just finding the multi-class problem. So you can see here. So if you just scroll down, you just need to execute here. Okay. So after executing this, you won't be able to see any output. So just come down. Okay, so before executing this command, you just need to go to nn cost function and type in the code. So the code for this I have already typed in. I'll just explain. So it's a really big code. So don't get panicked by it. I'll just explain it how it works. So, and then what I've done is I'll just include this code in the description so that you can paste it. Okay, so it actually can just paste it after exactly part 3. Okay, you can see here. Just paste it from here and it will end before unroll gradients. Okay, so make sure you paste it exact properly. So initially what we need to do is we need to compute the cost function and the gradient. So in neural networks we use a method called as back propagation and forward propagation for implementing to calculate the cost function. So first we'll see the computing the cost function. You can see here we are calculating the cost function using the sigmoid. It's a same for logistic regression. The difference is you just need to add the biasing unit, and then we'll calculate the error. So the error is just the delta. Okay, the delta will calculate with the back propagation. Okay, and we are calculating the in for loop. We are can see that it's going from 1 to m. So this is actually calculating the delta. So after calculating the delta, what we need to calculate is the gradient. You see the gradient is actually calculated in 2 parts. Okay, after calculating the gradient, then we're combining it. Okay, you can see here. Then we are unrolling the gradient. Then the gradient is passed as the returned. Okay, and then the cost function j. You can see here j. Okay, the j is nothing but -1 by m sum of. You already know this formula. So this is about the nn cost function, the neural network cost function. So after this, make sure you save it. Okay, you can, as I told you, you can already I've included this code in the description. Okay, make sure you copy it from there. So we'll come back to exercise 4. Just run this. sorry. Okay, don't just run this where we left. Okay, after running you'll be able to see output. Okay, you can see the output here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is the correct answer. If you get this answer, then it's correct. Okay, so if you're not getting the output on the right side, maybe you have choose here a wrong one. So you can see there are three icons. Okay, make sure you clicked on output on right. Okay, the first icon. Okay, let us continue. So after completing this, this is what we calculated now. The okay, just scroll down. Okay, here also just execute it. Okay, so now you just need to compute only two files. Okay, the sigmoid gradient and then the random initialization. So before calling this function, what we need to do is we just need to go to the sigmoid gradient and type in the code for the sigmoid gradient. So this is a very small code. Okay, I'll just type in, sorry, g equals to okay, just save it. So this is the formula to calculate a sigmoid gradient. It is just you just need to multiply the sigmoids of the, you can see the z is actually an activation. We were passing the z. Okay, so just copy this, then come back here, just execute it. Yeah, you are getting the answer. So you can see here the gradient should be exactly 0.25. So you're done the two files. You're left with only the last file. So before I continue with the last file, I just wanted to remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel, because I just started it. So that's the only way you can support me, because many people are watching the videos but haven't yet subscribed. So please, if you subscribe, it will be like encouraging and supporting. So just scroll down. Let's get back to the video. So here before executing this, so you just need to complete the random initializing weights. Okay, go here. This is also very a small code. Okay, so you just type in. So random initializing, we are just doing it for the sake of okay, the weights, or what you called as parameters. So don't be like if you don't understand the code, it's okay. You can always look it and type the code. Okay. We forgot to declare the epsilon. So epsilon initialization is just like the beginning. So you can just declare it. Okay. Just L. So you can just okay. So you can just copy this. Okay, and then paste it. Okay, just pause and can just copy it. Okay, I'll just save it, come back here. Okay, so then so I hope you have typed the random initialization code. Okay, so after that you just need to execute it. You can see here, just run it. Okay, let's see, we have an error. Oh, it's a small error. Okay, just Okay, just we forgot the underscore. Okay, just save it, come back. Now try executing it. Okay, so now what, you won't be able to see any output because the output is suppressed here. So now what you need to do is everything you have completed. So just come back here and type submit. Come to the command window and type submit. So you'll be able to submit it. Okay, just give your Coursera mail ID and then the token. Okay, so if you like the video, just hit like and subscribe. So thank you for watching.